What to do after deciding to invest in property. Smile. Of the many things that you need to decide, or after deciding to invest in property, either your first or 10th property, you must smile. That means you have to study new skills, you have to module the successful, you have to invest in time, money and resources, you have to locate deals, and you have to explore ownership options. I am going to be sharing with you these action points that are needed to buy an investment property without procrastination, without prior skills, or without using other people's money, or in other words, using other people's money. Louistas, Nyuyse here from Frontline Wealth Solutions. When I started investing in property, I jumped with both feet and I never looked back. And after starting to build my own portfolio, I realized key needs coming up time and time again. I'd like to share these with you so that as you're about to make a decision to invest, either you are starting or whether you have already purchased your investment properties, these would be helpful for you. The first thing in S.M.I.L.E is to study. Property investments, just like other forms of investments or businesses, have technical components that you need to learn. There are strategies that you need to understand and choose some to specialize in. The good thing is, and surprisingly so, is that there are free trainings out there. There's a lot online throughout YouTube, throughout Facebook, even in our own Facebook page. On every Monday, we deliver free training at 8 p.m. Knowledge is out there for you to choose how to learn. There are property investment courses out there, even for free, every single day of the month that you can learn from. But here's the thing. What do you need apart from this theory to be able to buy an investment property? You need practical implementation of that knowledge. For example, attending our implementation weekends where we practically make calls, we review properties, and we raise funds together. So check this out later on in another video where I explain to you what we do in our Facebook group. Number 2, model. You've got to choose an investor. Do some research and find out the teachers in the industry. Check their teaching styles and make sure that you align, or that their style aligns with your way of learning. Ask yourself, will I be willing to be taught by this person? Will I be happy to support their business so that they can help me set up my own business? If your answer is a yes to these questions, then make contact and interview him or her so that you can see if you are a good fit for them. And then you might make a decision to work with them. And I'm sure they'll be happy for you to work with them as well. The third thing in S.M.I.L.E is invest. Although we hear that we can buy properties without money, there is always some form of investment. You need and you have got to be ready to invest time, money, and build relationships that would actually lead to a partnership. Most importantly, you have got to invest in yourself to develop your skills through coaching, mentoring, and giving value to others, just like as I'm doing to you right now. Through their experiences and failures especially, you will learn to avoid and grow faster than if you went on your own, as I did when I started. This will also save you time, it will save you money, it will improve your skills and give you practical knowledge and skills. Check out our coaching program by booking a free consultation session with us, and you will find out if we can be a good fit for you, and if we can work with you, and if you can work with us, so we can point you to the right direction also if we can't. The links are below. The fourth thing in S.M.I.L.E is to locate implementation events. Yes, this is the most important of all the aspects of buying a property in that process. Through having an implementation plan, you take control and you take small actions that lead to that purchase. In the process, you discover the tips and the tricks by doing it, not by learning alone. This is the sole distinguishing factor from the good and the best trainers and coaching that you should be looking for. And this is why somebody like Peng Joon in the internet space is becoming an internet god, because he is actually getting people to move from their goals to achieving those goals through his implementation events. Looking forward to seeing you in one of our implementation weekends coming soon. Details in our Facebook group. Please click the link below and check, join and learn. Number 5, in S.M.I.L.E is explore. Explore your options. There are so many ways of investing in property, and you can invest as a private financier by giving money to those who are already investing and sharing in the profits. You can also invest in your own properties, buying and renting them out, or you can actually partner with people who already own properties and create deals with them. But you can also just control properties and earn a good income from them. In either way, you need to explore the pros and the cons and how much time and capital you need to be able to start these. If you have little capital, I would say probably start with control and make some money out through it. Then you can use it for a purchase. We teach you these strategies in our implementation events, especially one that is coming soon. So check the dates in our Facebook group. You've got to join it first, and it is free, and claim your seat to S.M.I.L.E. I will see you there, and stay blessed.